Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DBS app crashing step by step. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the DBS app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then, many crashes happen due to temporary glitches. Then, go ahead and restart your phone to clear system memory and remove background processes causing the issue. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for DBS Digibank and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest versions, as updates often fix bugs. If you're using Android, go to Settings, Apps, find DBS Banking and tap Storage and clear cache to remove any temporary files. If the problem continues, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the official App Store. If the app still crashes, it may be due to device compatibility or temporary server issues, so try again later. That's how I fix the DBS app crashing. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.